Hi everyone, my name is Prishita Pathak. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to highlight and contour your face. We use the concealer for highlighting under our eyes, on our forehead in the middle, on our nose, the straight line, and on our chin. And for the contour, we use it on our cheekbone line here and here, and we use it on our forehead here. It just creates a shadow. For the nose contouring, it is used here. I'm going to be showing you all of these. So if you are interested in watching how to highlight and contour your face, then please keep watching. So I have already applied a foundation and I have done eye makeup and just the usual. Just I have not concealed my face and contoured it, so I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So for the contour, I'm going to be using this LA Girl contour. It is in the shade Toffee. Applying your contour here makes your cheekbones appear more nice and your face just becomes slim. Your face just appears slim if you apply the contour here. And applying your contour on your jawline makes your jaw appear sharp. It helps to make our forehead look smaller. So these are the areas in which you do contouring. And on the forehead, I will do the nose contouring later to show you properly. So I'm just gonna do the concealing now. Now in these areas I have applied the concealer. Now I'm gonna blend it with the Damn Beauty blender. So first I'm gonna blend the concealer because contour is a dark shade and then my beauty blender will get dark. So I don't want the contour to be everywhere. So I'm just gonna blend the concealer first. I'm just dabbing it. You can also apply the concealer on the top of your eyelids before applying the eyeshadow, but I have just applied the eyeshadow. It just makes the eyeshadow application easier and brighter. The eyeshadow colors look brighter and your eyeshadow lasts longer. This is a new technique of contouring. I've been seeing it all over Instagram. It just says that you have to take your contour a little bit like this here, downwards at the end, just to give your cheekbone lines a little effect, like it is going a little downwards, shadow kind of thing. So after blending everything in, this is how it looks like. You can see the difference of before and after. Now I'm gonna be doing the nose contouring. So for that I'm gonna be taking the contour and I'm gonna apply it here. Bring their contour all the way to the up here, but I don't know, I'm not going to do that much, but I did a little bit. And people also do this just to make this area appear brighter. So for blending it, I'm gonna use this brush. This is a small brush. I have another small brush. I think I'm gonna use that small brush to blend some details. For now, I'm gonna be using this brush. You can make your nose look any shape whichever you want to with contour. It can appear thin or whatever you want. Just you have to take your time while contouring. So now I'm done with the nose contouring. As you can see. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on us. So now I'm also gonna show you how does bronzing over the contour looks. Also people do bronzing along with the contouring. So I'm gonna be using this Nika's bronzer. I don't usually do contouring and bronzing together, but I'm just gonna do it to show you guys. Now to complete the look, I will be applying this blush. This is from Sugar Cosmetics. And now for the last step, I'm going to be applying a little highlight. This is from Nika. Applying it on the tip of my nose. Here on the bridge of my nose. Little bit on my chin. And here as well, because I've seen a hack. I've seen a picture of Bella Hadid. She had like slick jaw. And here was the highlight. So it was looking very cool. So I'm just gonna do it. If I find the picture, I will put it right here. So I'm gonna do that. So this is the final look. I have applied a little lipstick before. So this is the final look. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you got to learn something from this video. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, bye. I will see you in the next video.